Hi, all. I'm here to talk about the symptoms which I have experienced in my anxiety journey and how I overcame it. Firstly, I would feel like shivering, then feeling dizzy, fatigue, nausea, stomach problem, heart palpitation, especially in panic attacks, then breathing problem, chest pain, heavy chest pain. Then headache was there for almost like 3 4 years now. I wake up with headache and I sleep with headache, and there was not even one single day I would feel like relaxed from my headache. uh, I had to overcome from that headache to reduce those anxiety and stress, mainly vomiting. I eat and I used to vomit a lot. I think for 3 years of my anxiety and depression, I would have vomited a lot every single day. Uh, my parents used to worry a lot, like she's eating but she's vomiting, and even I used to worry for myself, like being underweight and I was losing more weight. I wanted to intake something, but I was vomiting. Then I started having gastrointestinal problem, gastritis, and it was weird cramps in my stomach, and I had to check with doctor. Yeah, psychiatrist explained that the more there's something in your mind, the more you're stressing, the more anxiety, the more panic attack, the more depression it is going to affect here, and mainly the stomach, the gut, the digestion problem I had, the stomach infection I had, and no matter what I ate, I was vomiting, I was feeling nauseated all the time. So I had to work on my mind and the way I think, the way what stresses me. I had to work on that, and reducing the anxiety first of all had to help me with the stomach issues. Dizziness is something that was constant from the time I got anxiety. I would feel fatigue, I feel nauseated, I was feeling dizzy all the time. I had to hold something to walk, I had to hold something to sit. Even if I was sitting, I used to hold something and sit because of the dizziness and the vertigo I had. And suddenly I had migraine issues because the headache was never ending. So I started having migraine issues, and I cannot see light. I would feel nauseated. I had to wear glasses for 24 hours because of my migraine. Even the basic would make me feel like, oh, I have to get up, I have to brush my teeth, I have to get up, I have to take shower. I'm feeling dizzy, I cannot get up from the bed. I felt very empty. As soon as I wake up, I would cry. What is happening? It If I think about those days, it makes me cry. In therapy session, we would talk mainly about my past and how I gained anxiety issues, but mainly the thing which has worked for me is CBT, cognitive behavior therapy. Like the way you think, the core beliefs are, the way you think about others, the way you think about yourself, the way the conclusion you give about your life, your career, your relationship, or anything, etc., etc. uh, I had to learn more about cognitive behavior therapy. Like I read books, my therapist would explain me everything, and I wish I would have done psychology, but it is very interesting to know about your mind. I was having severe to severe anxiety and unable to manage my daily life, unable to manage or get up from the bed. I had to take medicine and take psychiatrist help, take therapist help. That was very necessary for me.